Loonies, it's cold outside.
I know what that means. It's hot cocoa time. And I've got the snow glow recipe from the fairy vault. It's got the tips that make it easy too.
And welcome to my kitchen.
No isamo, none nada. First, place your hot cocoa molds upside down on top of a rack or something. The air needs to circulate underneath it. Lube them up with butter cooking spray. And lube up a cookie cutter too. We tried baking spray with flour and that doesn't work. That's just a plastic lid it's sitting in. We also tried no spray and you get a globe with teeny bubbles all in it. Now the 3 ingredients. In your favorite saucepan, take 3/4 cup of sugar and a 1/3 cup of water. We're using distilled water and not tap water. Distilled has all the impurities steamed out, so your globe will be clearer and nicer. Right, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. Brushing the sides with water helps prevent the sugar from crystallizing. That one time you don't do it will be the one time it crystallizes. Heat this to 293, 298 degrees, not 300. At 300, the sugar will start to caramelize and turn brown. At 293, 298, it's still cool enough to be a hard dough and stay clear.
That's Fahrenheit, right?
Yes! Look, we had the touchless thermometer turned to Celsius on mistake. Brown, brown, brown. When your mixture is shallow like this, you really gotta keep an eye on it, because it'll reach 300 degrees really quickly and turn brown in an instant. We're using Anchor measuring cups because we already know they can take this high heat change. And so can Pyrex with the capital P. Let it cool a bit to thicken up like molasses. And now pour it over the mold. This recipe makes at least 3 domes. The drastic change in air temperature actually makes the dome cave in if you didn't let air get in underneath. Take a metal cookie cutter, grease it, and cut the sides where the sugar is still pliable. You have to cut it before it hardens all the way. And remove the excess too. And there you go. Let it cool all the way. Then use the melted chocolate to glue it onto your hot cocoa bomb. The red candies means it's peppermint mocha. Oh shit. Oh shit. These are delicate. Be careful. Let me grab that one. We use a knife to scrape off the excess. Leave a comment. It makes our day. It really does. You should see Free to get all tickled up about it.